I'm getting so excited for my retreat at Omega Institute in New York. Now, I will be there in August, the 16th through the 21st, and I've got to pack up all of these art supplies and ship them out. Look how much healing we are going to do through being creative. We're going to use all of these materials to figure out what's holding you back from being the person that you want to be. We're going to find your motivation with these art supplies. We're going to use markers. We're going to use colored pencils to help you turn off that inner critic in your head. I hope you join me there. Get on the list quickly because my retreats sell out fast. And I want to see you there. It's an amazing experience. Mwah! I love my community.